So I have here with me two kinds of biryani. This is the chicken biryani and this is the mutton biryani. So we will be trying these two biryanis and I will let you know how it tastes. Hi friends, today we have two kinds of biryani and I will be doing a food review for this chicken biryani and mutton biryani. So please stay with me as I do my food review for these biryanis. First, we'll start with this chicken biryani. So, we'll try the rice first. It's richly flavored with a lot of spices. Actually, it's a little bit spicy now. And I think it will be more spicy as I go on eating it. Then we will try with a small piece of chicken. The chicken is so soft and moist. The chicken is not that flavored, but the rice is very flavored with spices. Let's have more chicken. The chicken is really moist inside. This biryani rice is really spicy. I could taste cinnamon, cardamom. I don't know, maybe there's masala, that's why the color is like this. Maybe there's also ginger powder. There's a lot of powder in this one. That's why it's color yellow. So this is really a very flavorful biryani rice. Next, we'll try this mutton biryani. The rice is a little bit lighter than the previous one. There are beans in this rice. It's not as strongly flavored as the previous one. And let's try the mutton. The mutton is so soft and moist inside. Let's have more rice. There are also some spices in this rice, but it's not as strong as the previous one. And I could eat it more compared to the other one. Maybe if I mix it together, if I mix the rice together, then the spiciness of the other biryani will be less. See, the rice of this biryani and the other one is a long grain basmati rice. And they are cooking it in a different way, not like the usual rice. If you would compare this mutton biryani with the chicken biryani, this will come out like a bland biryani. But it is also a good one. And for the mutton, it is so soft and moist inside. And there's no beef aftertaste or no mutton aftertaste like the usual aftertaste of other meat. So this is a good biryani also. I'm chasing this biryani with some tabula because this tabula is lessening the spice in my tongue and also cleaning my palate. And it gives me also some crunch. So I hope you like our video about these two biryanis that I did a food review on. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye!